Hi everyone, good evening. This is Kamal again, and we'll do the recording of the analysis for the week. Main reason is I had some health issues and just wanted to have a rest day before there is again full day training happening tomorrow. So we had to do this analysis on Saturday itself, and since I was not well, just wanted to give you as a recording. We don't want to break what we have started, so we'll still be doing it, right? So let's see where we are and what we got from the last week analysis. So last week we had seen this been captured by the market, and this is where we were actually not reached, or we resisted. 660 is the high if I'm not wrong. 14660 is what the market made as the high, and we are yet to test this. And this is actually 740, but I made it at 750, and we had seen that it is the retracement level or the extension level from the current retracement, right, on Nifty. So then we have 15,000. So currently we are seeing some resistances at once level crossed this, and the second level is this. So yes, this is looking good, but the resistance is remaining the same. The support will change. So let's see on that also. So though we had this as a diamond index, it is still around the same levels. So we continue to say that, and let's see what it is on the charts as well. Bank Nifty, yes, we had that it will touch the all-time high. It did touch all-time high. Okay, it made 32,840 or something odd as the high, a new high. So that also has been achieved. Okay, so Bank Nifty is doing good. IT sector had some profit booking, but same day bounce back. So that's also looking great. And with the result seasons on, we are seeing good results coming up, and this will keep going on and on, right? FMCG, we saw that it was doing okay, and it's still around the diamond sector mark. So we'll see that as well. Nifty Auto did well, and I think MRF did exceptionally well. It was a buy above 82,000, and the high touch was around 90,000. So in a week's time, 8,000 point was a gain from the level of our entry, and it would be like a dream for anyone who was holding it. So Nifty Auto did good, and Nifty Pharma did something bad. Okay, we were able to book profits in Dr. Reddy, which was our previous week holding, but we made two stop losses hit in DVs and Oro Pharma, right? So this is something which we need to now see where Nifty Pharma blundered, or what went wrong in the pharma sector. But still, it seems to be at the golden sector. Let's analyze that also, right? And finally, we saw ICICI Bank also giving us a good return, right? So we had um, five stocks, of which three were booked in profits and two in losses. Now let's see what we have for this week, right? So let's start. So Nifty on daily basis has got a black candle, and it's at gap support. If you look at it, we are at gap support, and also somewhere 7 bar PRD setup. Okay, so it's a 7 bar PRD setup on daily. Weekly shows a doji. Now see, there is a difference between the two dojis now. Okay, we had this doji, and now we have this doji. Okay, so this has got a long wing on the downside, and the body is up. This has a wing on the upside, and the closing is towards the down. So this somewhere can bring it back to somewhere around 14,100 levels, maybe around this level is what you can expect in this week. Okay, so there can be somewhere some retracement which would be healthy for the market. Okay, let's see if we see some retracement. What level of retracement can be seen on weekly? Okay, because see, this is a one-sided way it has gone from here. Okay, so if I have to mark it like this, then around 13,850 shows a good retracement. Okay, so if we have this type of retracement in the coming week, I would be okay to have it, but we need to also keep in mind that 1st February is budget day, and there can be some budget rally as well. Okay, so now we need to see whether we see a retracement which will be healthier for the market, or Do we just keep soaring higher because of the budget rally? Okay, see, if we have a retracement now, post budget, we will see the new rally starting. Okay, but if we don't see anything now, then post budget there will be profit booking. Okay, so let's see what the market does in the next week. All right, so that is what we are seeing. Monthly still looks good. Monthly has no bearishness at all. It's a band walk for an index, second candle on the walk. So nothing wrong over here. Weekly is a little bit of bearish, or you can say signaling something at a higher RSI. 80 was the RSI maybe when it touched, and even daily RSI had gone above 80, 85. If you look at here, it was 82. All right, so 82 is the highest RSI that this touched even on daily. So this actually calls for some retracement, and a healthy retracement should be till here, which is 14,085 or 14,100, and from there if we see some bounce back, it should be a new high. Okay, so now what we had taken, I see 660 is the high which we have seen so far. Right, so 660 is the highest high that we have made so far, and now the new target which we still have is 14,740 or 14,750. Right, so that needs to be there, and it's also pulling the Bollinger Band to that level. See, 14,820 is currently what the band shows to us as well. So yes, we can have those levels coming up maybe after a week or maybe next week, we don't know. Right, so let's wait and watch for it as well. So let's write down what we see. Okay, so it's still around diamond, everything is still about 60. Okay, weekly shows a doji at RSI 80. Okay, so some retracement expected. Okay, and monthly band walk still continues, so this remains as is. Okay, now this remains the same because we are below 14,500 now, because it's around 14,458, so we are below 14,500. This remains the same, and now you need to add one more level out here, is 14,100. Okay, so once you add one more level, you finish the third one. Okay, so this is gone. So we still have a healthy Nifty. Okay, let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has got similarly some setup over here. Okay, so Bank Nifty also has got a similar setup. We have a PRD setup here, 5 bar. Okay, so this is a 5 bar PRD setup. Okay, so let's see 5 bar PRD setup on daily. This does not show me that type of a doji. Okay, so this doji and this doji is similar. So Bank Nifty still shows me some strength. It does not show me tiredness, and it shows a pullback actually. Okay, so still it shows a pullback. Okay, and still see 31.8. Okay, I think this is. Let me check where are we. Is this futures? I think this is futures only, but then why is the high not shown properly? It was 32,800. Okay, so I think futures have still not made a new high or what? This is 15. Okay, okay, I think it was still yet to hit, so we still need something here. But I think I had seen 800, but okay, let's see. Does not show here, and even this is looking good, so this does not show anything, and it is above 60 now. See, 61.23, right, and this is at the resistance level, which is the all-time high, so we now need to cross this. Okay, weekly also shows good, so this does not show any sign of retracement, but also shows 5 bar PRD. Okay, so we need to see which confirms now. Confirmation will be above 32,600. Okay, so we need to wait for the 32,600 to be crossed, which is actually the low high of this candle, which is 610. So above that it confirms. So let's see what it does now on Monday. Okay, and this is a clearly, if you look at RSI, 71 and 67. So it's a good PRD above 60, all the conditions met. So now it needs to be confirmed. Okay, so this looks good to us. Ah, here it is. See, 32,861 was hit last week. Okay, so we have already made a new high. Maybe we सोच रहा हूँ कि क्यों नहीं दिख रहा था इधर. So here it is shown on daily. It is shown 32,861. Weekly does not show that. For what reason I don't know. Okay, so this is something which is missing. Okay, so this is what I see. Maybe some glitch in the charts. Okay, let it be. So 32,861 new high has been hit. Okay, so now this is 32,096. So 32,100, 32,300. So 200 points above this. So it may be around 33,100 is the target of the PRD. So let's see whether it meets the PRD target next week. Okay, and it's a 5 bar PRD. So normally it should take 3 to 4 days to hit that target. So let's see whether it has that in it or not. So let's write down. Now I'll remove this because this has already been done. Golden sector तो हो चुका है ये. Okay, 5 bar PRD setup on daily. Okay, weekly has a doji. Okay, monthly looks around all-time high resistance. Okay, but above 60. Okay, so this is a golden sector, 5 bar PRD setup. Okay, I need to make it capital, and this can be done setup on daily. Okay, weekly as a doji, monthly around all-time high resistance, but above this. So still we will have, this has been crossed. Okay, where are we right now? 32,380. Okay, so that is still acting as a resistance. So we have still closed below this. So this, and this still remains. Okay, and this has still acted as support and maybe 32,000. So if you look at it, when there was a fall, I think it has bounced back from 31,888, which is 31,900. Okay, so that is really acting as a good support. So this is still intact. Okay, we will not change this either. So this still looks good, and let's see what it does in the next week. Okay, then let's move to the other sectors quickly. Okay, so now let's see Nifty IT is at gap support. Okay, now let's see this. अरे ये क्या है? सब में PRD है क्या? See, even this has got a PRD. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bar PRD is there even in Nifty IT. Okay, we'll have to see what happens over here because this is interesting. Okay, because if you see there are PRD setups overall. Okay, so this is something where we might have to see now what happens because this is at gap support, PRD setup on daily. Okay, above 60, but see again this is little bit of too high on RSI. Okay, so this is too high on RSI. Okay, so this is where it is. Okay, so this is looking to be you know one sec, I'll just take this phone. हाँ अंकल, मैं आपको आधे घंटे में कॉल करता हूँ, चलेगा? हाँ, मैं एक जगह पे हूँ, मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करता हूँ, आधे घंटे में कॉल करता हूँ आपको. ठीक, ओके. Okay, sorry. So now let's see this. Uh, This is 87.89 as RSI, so this looks little bit higher on that, and even 81 on monthly. Okay, so this is also almost hitting the roof on RSI. So monthly normally indices will not go much higher like this. So if you look at the higher RSI years also during the rallies, it would be around, say, this is around 79.80, right? So this is where it might normally have some resistances, right? So this is where it is, and this is where we have seen it gone above the roof. Okay, so this is already at around 81, 82. So some retracement should be on, and it should be retracement and not change of trend. Okay, unless there is a any other signals that we get, because see, there is no bearishness overall. Okay, so this only profit booking should be there, and then a new rally will start. And on daily, we have already come down from 80 to almost 69. So now again, you can see this, that there has been somewhere, some pullback on daily as well. So still this is looking okay and can be a range bound, so that there is a cooler effect on the RSI on the high time frames, right? So Nifty IT again, you can say it's around uh, golden sector because the close is below the high. Okay, so around this, so we reduce this now, but see, anyways, it's golden diamond does not matter much. Okay, band walk at a all-time high, but now this has changed. Okay, daily 7 bar PRD setup. Okay, 7 bar PRD setup at gap support. Okay, so which needs to be seen. Uh, Weekly shows a bearish pattern. Okay, so let's see that also. Weekly shows a bearish candle at 87 RSI. Okay, and monthly band walk at all-time high. Monthly is still at all-time high. Okay, since the month is not closed, you consider it at all-time high. Okay, this flag has been achieved, so this now needs to be removed. Okay, 4 bar bearish divergence set up on daily, that needs confirmation. So uska bhi already ho chuka hai. We have seen the breakout, and now it has got PRD set up. Okay, so all-time high around 81 RSI. Okay, so this is a little bit, so expecting some retracement for. Okay, so see, retracement is part of healthiness in the market. Okay, retracement does not mean that you go for shorting in the market, or you just think that the trend is over. Okay, now let's see Nifty FMCG and the other things as well. Okay, so okay, Nifty IT देखा. Let's go. What is? अच्छा, infra भी देख लेते हैं. Infra is looking good. See, it's a breakout. Okay, on an all-time high. So infra is looking beautiful so far. Okay, it is still on be a good, still good all-time high, and maybe taking some support over the all-time high now, previous all-time high. And let's see what is this. 72, 72.94, 72.90. Okay, so no PRD here, fortunately. Okay, and this shows a breakout. So infra also made a new high, and we now have another index which is diamond. Okay, so और एक diamond आ गया हमारे पास infra भी. Okay, and it has hit a new high. So now let's watch what it does here. Okay, it can come down for a CIP at this level, and then maybe bounce back and then give you this depth as the new high. Okay, so we might expect that, and if it comes down, we will see something which is coming down in the market as well. So retracement time maybe prior to the budget, and that will be a good healthy sign. So infra looks okay and ready for another round. Let's see FMCG now. Hey, I don't know why this is coming up. Okay. So FMCG is stuck at almost all-time high. Daily at 60 support and gap support. See this. Okay, so daily is at gap support and 60 support. Almost a flag-like of pattern here. And time for the 26th January. Salute to the nation. Okay, so this is quite possible. So you might see some movement here of this length. Maybe it's going higher. And this is already breakout. So there is already a breakout out here, and let's see what it does. So this really looks good. RSI is in control. Weekly RSI is in control as well. Let's see what is here between them. 71, 70. So also 4 bar PRD setup here. Okay, so we do have a 4 bar PRD setup on weekly on it. Okay, and let's see, daily is at 60 support. So this sector looks good to me. So some buying can be done on this all-time frame and this overall diamond sector, Doji, weekly PRD setup. ये last week भी था. Daily Doji at 60. So this is still there. Everything is as is. So ये sector में कुछ गलत नहीं है and it looks good. Okay, so this remains intact. Will not change anything here. Then let's move to Nifty, auto or pharma, whichever comes first. Pharma will come first. ये क्या गड़बड़ किया? We need to see this. Okay, so it's no more a golden sector. It broke 60, but it is now at CIP. Okay, it has got a bullish engulfing here, a bearish engulfing, sorry, but this is at support. So now any bearish candle at support is of no value, right? So now let's see the stocks also. So this is at support and it is at 20 ms support and CIB as well. So two things that we need to see, and main thing is it resisted the upper band. So that is the main reason why we had some fall in pharma stocks, or none of them went as per what we were seeing in the last week. So now let's see. So this was, I think, Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is what it did. Okay. And what did weekly do for it? Oh, there's a bearish engulfing even on the weekly time frame at per band. Okay. Okay. And it has a shooting star. Okay. So the previous all-time high around we got some resistance. Okay, so we are been resisted at the previous all-time high, and now we need to cross this. So we will have to rest on all the pharma stocks until this has been crossed. See, this is one level, two level, three level. So we need now to cross this. Okay, so it went till almost 13480. Okay, and from there it has been resisted because this is similar. See, it is also 131 13490. So 13490 and 476 is almost the same, so it resisted here. So now we'll have to see what it does. So monthly has got some resistance here and that needs to be crossed. Okay, so that is the failure of this thing. Okay, almost nearly to the same RSI as well. Okay, so RSI around this was also 74 and this is right now 71. Okay, so now let's see what it does. So this sector we need to be careful, stay away and just see what it does. So Nifty Pharma, no more golden. Okay, daily below 60, below 60, but at CIP and MA20 support. And, okay, weekly and monthly band walk. Okay, it needs to be rewritten because now weekly has got a bearish engulfing. monthly has a doji at resistance 13490. Okay, so that is where pharma actually hit us. So now let's see why what can be done. Okay, now let's go to the last sector, Nifty Auto. Okay, so Nifty Auto looks good. Look at it, it's above this now. So this line has been met, this has been crossed. So ये यहाँ तक तो अभी निकल पड़ा है. So Nifty Auto is still looking okay for 10,580. Let's see this Bandwalk. Oh, this is also now 62.86. Okay, so it has gone above even 60. So it's no more resisting 60. Okay, and it has got a flag setup by the way. Okay, so it looks good to me overall. Okay. Okay, so now let's start with the stocks. Okay, so we need now to cross this. So this Nifty order looks good to me. It is now okay, golden sector, and this is fine. And I think daily we just need to mention it. Daily has got flag setup. Okay, so somewhere my belief is MRF might hit 1 lakh in the coming days itself. Okay, so this sector looks good to me because MRF already has got a breakout. Right, so now let's see Doji high been crossed, need to close above that. Okay, so that is still remaining and close above 60 is remaining. So this is what we are already seeing it. Okay, so new high on the sector around this, we are already at 10,000 plus. Okay, so we should be able to do that because if you look at this, okay, if the flag continues and completes, this is what you should be expecting. So this is around 11,000. So 11,060, 11,100 is the new high. Okay, so this looks good. This looks okay. Okay, so let's start with the okay. So now let's see the stocks and stocks. We'll go to futures. So let's start with ACC. I think one of the favorites of many. See, it is right now at price support. Okay, so this is where it is resting at 60 in price support. Weekly has got a doji, and this is the resistance level as well. So around 1815, it has found some resistance, and monthly actually shows 60 resistance, but the candle does not show any bearishness so far. Okay, so ACC we don't have anything. Let's see first the auto sector. Maruti is at 60 resistance on still on monthly, but it has crossed this. Okay, so this is still there. We need to cross 60 and okay. So this also has got somewhere 60 support 67 and it has also got no resistance here, but okay. So again, Maruti, we don't have much things. If it crosses this high, it might go further. Okay, and this, see, this has got the flag setup. See, here it is. So this has got the flag. Okay, and if there is a breakout, it will give you directly the thing. So Nifty Auto and Maruti cannot be different. See, this is 8,800. So this is what it should be doing. But see, this has been known in Maruti. It does this type of a breakout, goes little down, and then again after some days it bounces back. So we don't know whether it should be a trade above this. So above 80 to 50, you can say it's a buy with somewhere around 80 30 or maybe 80 50 around as your stop loss. Okay, so the breakout is about this. So let us now get into that levels actually. Because it is at 60 support, right? It looks good. Okay, so I think Maruti is not here. Let me mark it here. Let's see something open up. Okay, the above 0. Okay, target can be kept as I'm not going to give you 8500 8800 for sure. Okay, we can keep it 85 and then we can keep trailing. If it goes till that level, we'll see. And this can be kept at 80 to 50, 80 50. So around 150 points and 300 points, which is okay in case of Maruti. Okay, so this can be one trade here. Now let's see, Hero Moto I think will make a new high. Okay, so let's see even on Hero Moto what it is. Oh, it has broken 60, but it is at CIP, but there is a gap here, so let it be. जाने दो इसको. And weekly also resisting 60 और ये कितनी बार भी weekly resist किया and it has fallen down. Okay, so this does not look good. जाने दो इसको. इधर भी 60 resistance है, daily पे भी 60. ए भाई ये तो short trade भी बन सकता है. Okay, so below 3168, this can be shorted with 32, 35 or 32, 30, 40, 30 to 40. This level as your stop loss. Okay, one should expect first target and maybe 30s 3030. Okay, so let's have one short trade on this also. I'm gonna change auto form and make it Hero Moto. Okay, short below 3164 and 3160. 40. So almost 110 points and 80 points. Okay, so we'll have to see whether this really makes sense or not. Okay, but this looks right now okay to me because 60 broken, 60 resistance, 60 resistance. So this makes sense for a short trade. Okay, so this looks good for a short trade. Now let's see MRF. Okay, so MRF has got somewhere some breather after that run. Okay, look at this. This is where I said buy above 82,000. So we had a trigger point on Tuesday, and from there it went in 90,400, 200, whatever high it made. And see, this is just the start of the flag. Okay, and यही flag मैंने last time दिखाया था. See, the volumes are coming up. Okay, and we have this now here. Okay, ना इसको थोड़ा नीचे notch करना पड़ेगा. This is the breakout point. Okay, so this is what I had shown. 96,000 तक जा सकता है ये. So there is still a steam in this, but buy above this. So 90,200 के ऊपर buy करो for a target of 96,400 or 96,000 बस हो जाएगा. So still this is looking good, but now buy about 90,500. Target is 96,000. Okay, we can do something else out here, but I'm not doing anything. Okay, and once it crosses 92 above it, okay, so it will have 87,800, okay, as your stop loss, which is इसका ये पॉइंट 88,000 है ये. So उसके नीचे 200 पॉइंट रखा है मैंने. Okay, so this looks okay to me. It's a flat target which we are expecting in MRF. Okay, and see perfectly it is there. Huh? The volumes on pole is there, no volume, and now the volume has started. So this is the breakout point. Okay, so we should see how it goes. If it goes above 9,500, then only you buy it, otherwise you don't buy it as well. Okay, so if it fails to cross this high and go above, we don't do anything. And monthly it is a cup breakout. Okay, so, and I showed you the target was 1,10,000. So 96,000 is on the way. Okay, so let's see that also now. Okay, so MRF we saw Maruti, we saw Hero Motocorp. Okay, and let's see Tata Motors, one of the best running item right now. See, it has given you almost the target which we were expecting. 268 to 70 was what we had shown you as the part of the W, right? So again, guys, anybody who is interested to learn such type of trading, okay, see bullish divergence setup, W, okay, and W का मैंने आपको ये भी दिखाया था कि this is going to be the second target, right? And that second target is already almost now done. So if you look at this, and I think looking at Kaushik Bhai also, you should be able to know that he is getting good stocks, and see this is where it is 270, right? So this particular training is happening on 13th and 14th of February. How do you choose such stocks? How do you get to know it's a bullish divergence and what can be expected? So this is happening on 13th, 14th February. If anybody who is interested can let us know, and see we have already made this, and this was showed to you I think 3 to 4 months back when there was a breakout here. Okay, so this was already shown to you, and now we are seeing the results of it. Okay, so Tata Motors also shows some good bounce back, and it has already reached the target. Now it might resist here, because see here there is some resistance at 270. If it crosses resistance, then it might go till 306 or 320 is the next resistance. Okay, so let's see now what it does. Okay, daily see it's a beautiful band walk and it's also with the flag setup. So if it is a flag setup and he's the guy who is very patriotic, he will also make a flag. Okay, so if he makes a flag now, it seems to be like this, and this is where you might see. So this can be now the expected target in Tata Motors around 291. Right, so still the flag part in daily it is there, band walk is there, and volume on the flag is also good. Right, so this is where again you might see some movement here. Okay, so these are the two things. So again, Tata Motors look good. Buy only about the high of this, which is 265.655. So buy about 266 if you want. Okay, I've already given three trades on auto sector, so I'm not adding anything more. Now let's see the other sectors. Let's go to the banking, HDFC Bank. Okay, it has got a good doji at support, CIP, and 60 as well. Okay, so daily is at 60. See, we had seen Bank Nifty is looking good compared to Nifty. Okay, so some disconnect is there between the indices, but see, this is the reason. Look at it. HDFC Bank at 60 support on daily, and a hammer type of a doji at CIP. Let's see this. Nothing much, and it's also making somewhere good setups, and there is nothing wrong even on monthly. So this looks pretty much good enough. Okay, and there is a breakout. It took a CIP as well, and it has moved up. So yes, this looks good. So HDFC Bank can be a buy. Let us give it that. So from ICICI Bank, we change our scope to HDFC. Okay, HDFC Bank can be a buy above. Let's go to daily. Okay, 1476. So 1477. 1477, 77 is the year I was born, so I'm fine to give you that. We can keep 1450 as the stop loss, or 27 rupees is the stop loss. So SL is going to be 1450, and the target now need to be done as 1501 is the first target. But now let's see, because it is at all-time high. Okay, so now what you need to do is take the retracement and then the extension. Hey, look at this. 0.25% of retracement at 60 support. This is a good trade. You should have this. And now let's see the extension of this. Okay, so 1509, 15027. Okay, so we'll keep a mediocre target of 1550. Okay, let's have that. Okay, and I think Kaushik Bhai has already given some 100 points up from here. So I think we are on the way of that. Okay, so this looks good. Now let's see some other banks. Kotak was beaten a lot last week, so let's see what has been it done. Oh, we have Kotak at 40 support and also at price support. Look at this. It's at price support, right? See, this is the price support, right? And this is the support here. Okay, so this also has got some PRD. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bar PRD on weekly. Oh, and the target is quite big. And monthly is for 60 support. Oh, so what else do we need? Weekly, monthly above 60. Again, strategy 2A, right? Any guys who has done simply indicators, right? And if anyone want to do it, 13, 14 February, it's there and you can, contact me for the same. So this is again, one of the strategy that we teach you in that simply indicators, and let's see how it goes. Okay. So this also looks good to us, and we already have a buy on HDFC Bank, and we can have a buy out here as well. But a bit of thing, okay, Kotak Bank, it has got a gap here, so I would actually avoid this for now. Okay, otherwise my target was, first target is from upper band, from lower band it has to be center band, and center band to upper band. But right now center band के बीच में ये थोड़ा gap down है इधर, so I'll avoid this. Okay, but we already have HDFC Bank which is looking good. Okay, and then let's see Axis. So Axis also has got PRD setup. What is happening, boss? See, this has got a PRD setup. 5 bar PRD setup on Axis as well. And it has got a doji, and it has closed the gap. So everything is looking good here also. Okay, so monthly is approaching 60, but till it approaches 60 and it reaches 60, PRD target तो हो ही जाएगा. PRD का target कितना है वो निकालने दो चलो. Again, this PRD is part of Simply Indicators. It's part of RSI training, right? So if you are still surprised, what are we talking about? You can join us on 13th and 14th of Feb, right? This is 668, 675, so around 8 rupees, and the highest high is 694. Okay, so the target is around 705. Okay, on this I think that should be fine, and it will not bother you for even monthly hitting 60. So this is looking good as well. Axis Bank. Okay, and the buy would be about 684 and 662. So 22 rupees is going to be the stop loss, and 684 I would not prefer it, because around 20 rupees, 22 rupees is your target and 22 rupees is your risk. So 1:1 is the risk reward. So again, I will not prefer it. Okay, so, but if anyone wants to trade, can trade it. 707 is also the upper band, you can see that, right? So this is where it should be going again next week. Okay, so this looks good, even Axis Bank. So banking is looking good. So bank nifty should hit the PRD target of 33,100. Okay, if all of this goes as what we are seeing, 33,100 is very easy. Okay, so let's now see some other. So let's see Bajaj Finance. It has also taken some bidding last week. Okay, so it's also at 40 support and OG price support. Everything is good, but only thing is we can't give this in buying because the margin needed for this is more than 3 lakhs. Okay, so if anybody is interested, can buy this. Look at it; it is looking good. And if you look at overall retracement of this rally, starts with here and it is exactly at 25%. Look at this, right? So it is a good retracement, healthy retracement, and from here, at least if it shows positive candle on the next week, this is still coming up. 53.85 is coming up. Okay, and above that, we will see again good movement. Okay, so it's already at all-time high. It is taking also, see if you look at it, it is taking support at the previous all-time high. So it's at CIP, it's at 60, looks good to me. Okay, again, I'm not recommending it only because of the margin needed. But if anyone wants to trade it, can trade it. Okay, so let me, we have got one, two, three, four stocks already. These are of last week. So let's switch to the pharma sector. Let's go to DRR, my favorite. क्या हुआ तुम्हें? See, it had a doji at 60 resistance and it resisted. So now it is falling and it is at CIP. But let's see. Oh, there is a bearish engulfing on weekly as well. So there can be some retracement in this sector, and this also shows some. See, we had a mark of 5,500. It went till 5,540. Okay, 50 रुपए से बचा लिया खुद को. Okay, 5,500 was, see, the high here, and that is what I was expecting it to come. But now it has made some resistance at that level, and it has come down. Okay, so now let's wait for a new entry into this. So I would not recommend anything. I will not even recommend short right now at this level, because RSI on daily is 52. Okay, so 52 is a dangerous mark. It can be, a support at 50 and bounce back, or might come to 40. So we don't know what is it going to do. There are immediate few supports out here on the way. So I would not recommend any buy on this level right now, or no trade currently at this levels. Though it is at gap support as well if you look at it, but let's avoid it. Okay, then let's see the other stocks on this. DB Slab, what it did was also devastating. It's at so at 40 support now. See, look at it. 40 support, 60, 60. So this also looks good as part of two-way strategy on RSI 60 40, 60 60 40. But we need to see what it does on Monday, what it confirms, right? So again, I would avoid this right now. Okay, it is at price support as well if you look at here. Okay, so let's avoid pharma sector till it settles down with the retracement. Okay, so I will just remove both of them. Okay, now let's see the other sectors. So we see pharma. So let's see Cipla once because that was looking good. And yes, it is at the previous high support maybe, but it has also broken 60. So again, and a shooting star on weekly as well. Okay, but above 60 again does not make any sense. So, okay, let's pharma be kept aside. Okay, so pharma, I think it's time to book profits if you are holding anything in pharma. Okay, and let's wait for a new entry. Okay, let's go to now to the IT sector, TCS. Okay, TCS is looking good. It is all-time high and still rising. Daily RSI is quite higher, 75. Okay, let's gap up on weekly. We can see, and it's a band walk. So I would not suggest any trade at this levels. Look at the RSIs on monthly, weekly, daily, all around 80 and above 80, right? 75, 80, and 77 does not make sense. So you don't trade anything which is so high, right? So avoid it. Okay, for this type of stocks which are diamond category, I keep saying when to buy that. If on lower time frame they come to either 40 support or 60 support is the place where you buy it. Low time frame can be 15 minutes or hourly chart. Okay, so that is what you can see. Now let's see in fee. Infi also looks good, and somewhere some PRD here also 6583. No PRD. Okay, 65, 66, and 6583. So no PRD, but at gap support. Okay, and it's a doji now. See, everything has hit a roof. Okay, we saw IT index also almost 87 RSI, right? So there is some scope of retracement. It will be healthy for the market. So we need some retracement. So there is a chance that pharma and IT will retrace. So will Nifty, but banks are looking strong. So bank Nifty will go up. Okay, so, and we had seen last week where all the sectors were pumping in, Bank Nifty was not, and now we might see a reversal of it where Nifty will be slightest red, but Bank Nifty would be still pulling it up. Okay, so let's see what happens next week. So this is what my feelings are after looking at the chart. Okay, and I'm just seeing in the charts, I'm not seeing anything else. And my view is Bank Nifty is still got steam in it and it should still blast. But Nifty will retrace, and I think a healthy retracement, as I showed, is around 14,100. If it comes and then bounces, it is going to be a very good bounce to then the first target of 14,740 and maybe then 15,000. Okay, so let's see that. So we have seen IT sector as well. Okay, last let me see Wipro because that has also made a new high, but see now again there is a dip. So every sector shows, see it RSI is 83, right? So when it had made a high, it would be more than 83, right? 83 is at the close. So you can imagine, what RSI levels they have gone to. So that's why some retracement is mandatory. You cannot drive the car at a stop speed for more time. You need to break it down. You need to come down and be stable at a certain speed, right? So this is what market will have to do. So we see some retracement now coming up in the market in the IT and pharma sector. Auto sector looks good. It has just given a breakout. So that is the sector which you should be looking for going long. Banking sector looks good. Go long on banking sector. Choose your stocks to short in IT and pharma. Right. And last, let's see FMCG. So let's go to Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever is at first 16, not first, but second 60 support on weekly. And there seems to be somewhere PRD setup. Yes, 5 bar PRD on again on Hindustan Unilever weekly and at 60 support, so it's looking good. Monthly looks good, and daily is at 60 resistance. So again, no trade out here. I would not recommend anything. Though weekly has got a PRT setup, buy only if it confirms. Okay, so you need to know when to enter into it. Again, PRD needs confirmation. So if you don't know about it, 13, 14 February is there. Okay, register for it. Now let's see. So liver, I will leave it apart. Let's see the other stocks. Marico. Okay, so that is also below 60. Oh, there also there is some bearishness. So FMCG sector monthly is okay, still neutral, but weekly shows some bearishness. Dark cloud cover, या तो bearish harami you can say. Okay, let me just see. Okay, bearish harami चलो dark cloud cover नहीं बोलेंगे. And this is below 60. So daily has gone below 60. So though the sector is still in golden, सेक्टर्स ओके डायमंड बोल रहा है लेकिन स्टॉक्स उसके नहीं दिख रहे मुझे ओके सो लेट्स अवॉइड इट एज वेल एंड लेट्स सी Nestle as well. Oh, so this is almost at 40. So this is looking okay, but let's wait for confirmation. See, this is broken 60 even on weekly, so I will avoid. So avoid all those trades right now. Okay, monthly is at gap support, but let's see what it does here. Okay, so okay, we have even FMCG sector might have some retracement looking at the chart. So currently we have got four trades. Okay, and even if you want, Bank Nifty can be traded as part of top bottom. Okay, and so is Nifty. Okay, so this is where I end for today's analysis session, and thank you all for those all who will be listening to the video. And I'm again sorry for not making it live today, basically because I have full day training tomorrow again, and I just want to have some rest as my health, as I said, was not up to the mark. So thank you all, and see you all next week. Probably yes, it will be a live session.